Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix cannot find Bitmoji paint on Snapchat in 2021, or if you have the the Bitmoji paint not shown on Snapchat issue. I will show you how to fix it on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is obviously go on Snapchat, and you want to click on the search icon at the top, and from there you want to type in Bitmoji paint, and when you click on it, it should start. If it doesn't for you, what you can do is actually go on the Google Play Store or the App Store and type in Snapchat, and you want to make sure that you have the latest update. So you have an update option here, make sure you update it. Another thing you can do is actually go on your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, or on an Android device, go to apps and find Snapchat, which is what we will do now. Offload the app or reset or clear the cache on Android device, and this should help you. If this video helped you, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.